On the morning of May 20th, 1932, a Lockheed Vega 5B airplane took flight from Harbor, Greece, Newfoundland. It would cross the Atlantic Ocean through strong northerly winds, icy conditions, and mechanical troubles to land at a pasture in Northern Ireland. Two farmhands looked on in shock as a woman named Amelia Earhart exited the plane. Flying across the ocean was a feat no ordinary pilot could accomplish back then. On her flight, she carried a small ornate green glass bottle containing the Crown Perfumery Company's lavender smelling salts. She would take whiffs of this jar to fight fatigue on her journey. Lavender's fresh scent was dispersed via ammonium vapors as a chemical potpourri. Lavender is an herb that's native to northern Africa, the Canary Islands, and some mountainous areas in the Mediterranean. Lavender is a member of the mint family, and it is often grown for the extraction of its essential oil. Lavender derives its name from the Latin word lavare, meaning to wash. In medieval and Renaissance France, women who took in washing for hire were known as lavenders. It was believed in the 17th century that thieves who washed in lavender after robbing graves wouldn't catch the plague. This belief may have some truth to it when one considers that lavender is effective in keeping fleas away. Even well into the 20th century, lavender was being used for its antiseptic qualities. Soldiers in World War I had their wounds treated with lavender oil. Hospitals during World War II would disinfect the floors and walls using lavender. In the Old Testament, Judith scented herself with lavender before seducing Holofernes in order to behead him and save Jerusalem. With its wonderful fragrance and useful chemical properties, lavender is a familiar and dear scent to many, so dear in fact that it has been used successfully as a pheromone. Queen Cleopatra was said to have seduced both Julius Caesar and Mark Antony with the scent of lavender.